It's pretty easy to access the internet, but what if you could find a way to customize that experience and get more out of your internet? Do more research, find more information, and just be a lot faster at what you do. We at the WITC Learning Commons want more and more students to utilize Firefox as their primary browser. Firefox is a freely available web browser that's installed on most every single WITC computer. As of this writing, we're at 99%. Why use Firefox? Well, for 6 major reasons. It makes your browsing much easier. It's a high-performance internet browser. It has advanced security functions that are going to keep your information and your personal life safe. You can personalize it and make it yours. And it's very much on the cutting edge of any sort of technology out there. Plus, it's universally accessible. So it works with most every single resource offered by WITC. For example, you can customize the applications. Unlike Internet Explorer, you can add on additional information and functions to your browsing experience. For example, we're showing that you can add screenshots, download information, share information, and do a lot more research as well. You can also customize the look of your browsing. Side-by-side comparison with Firefox on our left and Internet Explorer on the right reveals very little difference between the functionality. However, on the right-hand side, with Internet Explorer, you notice information is a lot more cluttered than it would be within Firefox. That is one major advantage, is that Firefox stores most of their information just in this singular tab, while Windows still works with a file menu, plus numerous shortcuts. Firefox allows you a long line of different options to improve and enhance your content. Internet Explorer does the same. Side by side, there's very little to differentiate each other until you get to the enhancements that can be offered by Firefox. Let's just take a look at what we can do when we click on add-ons. Let's just maximize this screen for Firefox. What we're looking at is our add-on manager, where we can add extensions and plugins and change the appearance of Firefox and really enhance and make it a greater browser. For example, let's take a look at our extension list. These are just the things that I've just installed within the last couple minutes. I've added an interactive theme engine that allows me to change how my Firefox looks. I also have my Zotero Next Generation Research tool, which is going to be very important for students to look at. I'm going to add a couple more functions while we wait. If I search through add-ons, I'm just going to take a look for something called Eyedropper. Now, I do a lot of graphic design, and many other people do, and there are programs that can grab a font color to help you pick it out and then use it to design your own graphics. For example, ColorZilla, which is a great tool. I click on Install, and we'll have some interaction, and we see it's downloading. We've just added our first app that's going to add itself into the functionality of our Firefox. I'm going to add one more that I really enjoy and I think people will like as well. Shareaholic. Sometimes you want to share information with other people, and you want to do it very quickly. It's sometimes really difficult to get that information there quickly and effectively. Shareaholic installs itself into Firefox and gives you additional functionality. Notice when I installed both of these programs, it asked me to restart. I'm just going to restart Firefox. We're going to wait patiently. And there we go. We can go click on our extensions, and we now have ColorZilla installed, as well as Shareaholic. Let's see how they work. So you probably weren't paying all that close of attention last time you were looking at your Firefox screen, so let me point out just what we did when we added those additions. I'm going to go back up to our Firefox menu and click on Add-ons, and you can see that we have all these new programs, Shareaholic and ColorZilla, installed. Close that window. You notice right here on the left-hand side, we now have a Shareaholic button installed, and on the right-hand side, there's a ColorZilla button. I'm just going to click the ColorZilla button, and you notice as I move my cursor over the entire website, there's information that's showing up all of a sudden. specifically about what colors am I looking at, what colors are being represented. This is a great, easy to use tool. It's now copied to my clipboard so that I can go back to whatever editing software I'm using, such as Photoshop or PowerPoint, and import that color. Pretty great, easy to use tool. It really speeds things up for people. Let's demonstrate that Shareaholic button quick. I want to share with my family and friends a continuing education course catalog. So what I can do is click on that link. The information opens up, and while I'm waiting, if I click on Shareaholic, I get a listing of great websites and content providers where I can share this information. So I'm just going to click on Facebook quick. And it gives us our standard Facebook load page. Or I can do any other options. I can mail it, I can post it to LinkedIn, I can even sync my Twitter account to this. It's a great tool to have in your arsenal to easily share information and also receive information. This demonstration has just shown you just the tip of what you can do with Firefox and how easily customizable it is. Let's do one more thing. I'm going to go to getpersonas.com. which is part of the Firefox family. You can customize your Firefox browsing experience as well. For example, let's just say I want to change how my page looks. I'm going to click on the circular logic skin. Notice how my browser changes. I'm now looking at the circular logic, but maybe I want something like this. Just change it to this Song of the Sky persona. My site changes, my browsing experience changes. It's just another way of customizing something that you could not possibly do in Internet Explorer. Want your own copy of Firefox? Head to mozilla.com and be aware that all WITC computers have Firefox installed on them. Do you have any questions about the content you might have seen here today? Visit us on site, on campus, or online at witc.edu/commons.